you, how many times that you need to student maybe do the lab work and
We try
discuss
we try to do it every 3 weeks.
every 3 weeks. I mean that maybe one class. I mean 50
No,
minutes for
every
lab.
every 3 weeks we spend the whole week inside the
Oh,
lab.
how we
Yes.
inside the lab.
So yeah, we have 3 weeks here inside the classroom and 1 whole week inside the lab.
Okay, for
To
one.
prepare for to prepare first to read the handout and to come up with a proposal, because the students have to come up with the procedures themselves.
Oh, they make them procedure.
Correct.
Okay.
Correct. We don't give them, the procedure.
Okay, that's
Yeah, we just tell them we need to investigate such and such. Tell me how you're going to do it.
okay.
And- Yeah, we give them handout with the materials and the methods that are available to them.
So they make some decision what they want will be measured or something like.
Correct. They have to measure. So, I just did that as a demo, but they have to come up with that. They have, they are the one who has to tell me, take a piece of cover and take so much silver nitrate and put the cover inside the silver nitrate, leave it overnight, measure the mass of the silver nitrate afterwards, and measure the mass of the copper and subtract them from each other. They are the one who has to write that in details, which we call it, a proposal. And that usually takes 1 day. The first day inside the lab, yes. They read the handout and they have to show me the proposal.
Okay, in the same day.
Correct, the same day. Then we, once the instructor approves the proposal, then the next day they're going to set up the experiment to get what they need and to make sure they have all the chemicals they need and perform the experiment.
So they choose what they equipment. They choose what they something that they need.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
So you let them to take or something. Oh, you.
Yes, I leave everything on the side bench, and they go and they grab what they need. They measure the mass. Every group have a scale like that and a set of equipment inside their drawer.
Okay.
So they get the scale out and they measure what they want. And 1 day to perform the experiment, then 1 day to construct this one and present it, because every group has to present it.
Okay. 1 day for prepare.
1 day prepare.
1 day for work.
1 day for work. Actually, 1 to 2 days.
Oh,
for
not
work.
3, yeah.
Yes.
And then.
Want to do it, so let's say 2 days for work, and 1 day for defending the whiteboard,
Work.
and the last day for putting the report together,
Okay.
to construct the report and submit it.
That's nice. I want to do in that class. I mean that I want to show other activity
Yeah.
from prepare, do, and lab report.
Sure. So that's most of the students they really like.
Yeah.
They do.
Yeah.
They just waiting for the 3 weeks to be up so they can go to the lab.
Yeah,
Most of them, they have
even
fun.
though I just hear from you, but I think it will be so cool. So I think I want to join one week with you next.
Sure, if you
Yeah.
have the chance, come over.
Yep.
See the reaction here is getting more silver.
Oh yeah.
Look how much silver we're getting now.
Wow.
And I collected that silver at the end.
Yeah.
Some students will ask you, "Can I take the silver
Yeah.
home?"
I just think like that. So what will you do?
Yeah, I tell them no, we're not allowed to let the silver out, but we collected that silver in one container and accumulated over the years.
Oh, over here.
Yeah.
It's nice.
And you see the water is getting blue.
Yeah.
That's because copper atoms is replacing the silver in the water,
Yeah.
and the copper is what's giving the blue color.
It's good.
So
I can imagine that why every student like chemistry.
yeah, I think this is one of the interesting experiments. So
Yeah.
another experiment we were working on is the sticky tape.
So I mean that I think.
See here, we can do that here and show you. Did you turn it off?
Yeah, it's still turn
It's
on.
not going on?
Yeah.
Okay. To teach them how the ions are formed, how the positive ions are formed and the negative ions are formed.
Yeah.
We take a piece of tape like this and we bend it a little bit so we'll be able to pull it out. Okay. And we'll put it right here. Okay. We'll take another piece of tape about the same size. And we'll put this one on the top of the other piece of tape, just like that. Okay. Then we pull them apart. After we do that, we pull them apart very quick, and we'll hang it on the side of the bench, just like that, and leave it hanging. And you can see that it's getting pulled to the wood because the wood have a positive charge.
Okay, yeah.
You see that?
Ah,
See, it's
yeah.
getting pulled.
Yeah,
It
yeah.
doesn't hang over. It's
Yeah.
getting pulled. You see that?
Yeah.
Okay, because the wood have a positive charge. When we put the two tips apart, electrons will transfer from one side to another. So one of the tape have a positive charge and the other have a negative charge.
So
And
it
you
will
can
be
see-
now it's negative now?
Correct.
Okay.
You can see the attraction.
Oh yeah.
Okay. If I have a balloon also, I would have you rub a balloon against your clothes and bring the balloon close to the tape, and you will see the attraction between the balloon and the tape.
Okay.
Right? Or a piece of aluminum foil. It does the same thing.
Oh, aluminum will be negative, positive.
Aluminum will be positive. See? Did you see that?
Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
Because one is positive and one is negative.
Okay.
It's very clear.
Yeah.
See here, it's straight.
Yeah.
When we get it closer,
Yeah.
all right. Okay.
Oh.
Here, it's straight here. See?
Mm.
I think it's a very strong attraction.
Yeah. So it will be so cool for the student.
So that shows the students how the cations get attracted to other anions, and it shows them also how the ions are formed by losing electrons.
Yeah.
Okay. And we have here the use of dryer to dry their clothes. Okay. And in the dryer, when you grab your clothes out from the dryer, you lost something?
My wallet. Did I
You lost
lose it
your
in here?
wallet and you lost one of your sheets over there.
Did you have my wallet maybe?
Yeah, your wallet?
Oh my god. I was like going crazy now in my locker. Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Welcome.
Yeah.
So in the dryer, when you put your clothes, you use the dryer where
Yeah.
you live, right?
Dryer. Yeah.
Dryer.
Yeah. It's something that I want to ask. Yeah, I think it's so easy to get soaked here. Sometimes I just just touch my friend, we will feel like that.
That's exactly what we used to explain that.
Oh, so because
Yeah.
we use dryer.
Because you use dryer,
Okay.
right?
And then that some when I open my hijab, it's
Yes.
my hair, something like that.
Yeah, it grabs your hair.
Yeah.
It's charged electrons because when you put it in the dryer,
Okay.
the clothes loses electrons, and when you get two pieces of clothes that have the same charge, you get that spark.
Okay. I think that is the reason. So if I'm not using
The
dryer,
dryer, that's not gonna happen.
okay. So I just what happened, or is something different in this area? Something I did think that maybe some metals here, or it's only because dryer.
Yeah.
Okay.
If you don't want that to happen, you can still use the dryer, but you buy strips. It's called the bounties.
Oh.
You buy it from the grocery store, and it's a small strips like that. It discharge the electrons from the clothes. So it's small strips. You cut 3-4 pieces, put it with your clothes when it dries, and that will prevent the charge build up.
Okay, so it's commonly here. So everybody
Yeah.
here know about that.
Yeah, no, yeah, even everybody knows about that. Yes.
Okay, only
If you
us.
don't like that, because otherwise you touch the door, you get a
Yeah.
scar. The leg of your pants with your sock will be attached together. You have to pull him outside.
Okay, I think so. Everybody here know about that except we just
Except you.
newcomer.
Correct, correct.
Okay.
Correct. So just buy bounties and bounties. Bounty.
Oh,
That's
bounties.
yes, and that will take care of it.
Okay. Thank you.
Welcome.
Oh, I love.